Greetings, Southern Cameroonians. Make una click share quick. I don't get plenty time for be here, and I just want to make this video make it be short and short as much as possible. I don't just come out for back for WhatsApp for make an audio. Yeah, because of some urgency we don't come. I don't be get plan for do live. I don't dey cool all this while because I don't want to keep myself for the dirty things the way don't dey happen. But as I be don't tell una before, most of the dirty things the way they happen, when I become online and I be one start talking, most of una them, una be the come out, they look me, una be the insult me, una be the tell me all dirty things. But today, when I don't see most of the things the way the past I just be the talk, it never make 2 weeks. When I don't see, I don't come out. But I be always tell una before, me Prince, I know the walk like some of una the walk. When I sit down for this revolution, I dey look the front and I dey see the evil way they come. I be don't always stand for tell una before that way they do things for Fako. I be don't come out they give una warning, but it be just be so happy talk and so shameful say made in Southern Cameroonians they know the think. Why some people they take their time for discourage others them way they stand for this government. Others they inside the house they benefit from the suffer way with the suffer. Others they chop money. But before that, I want to make the audience really build because I want to pass a very urgent message as we talk now. And as we talk now to my fellow people of Southern Cameroon, the life of Gabonese, and I go tell ADF, I want everybody when you watch this video make you know, if they want to make this revolution turn, just like how international government don't talk say, we fight now, we. If we want to make this revolution turn now, we. May we start fight, we could do another. And this message, it go for ADF. This is my live video, it go for ADF. Yes. The one thing may they know, all the way they did for diaspora. All them way they did for diaspora, may they know this. Me I be picking way, I don't grow, now for road, and I know where to picking and grow. Picking way for street, they suffer, which they feel. If anything get for happen with Gabonese, because I know what it go on now so. And all the ADF, they were there for Europe. I tell this one, this one. I don't tell some of you, I think so strong, but not strong, some of you. If anything happen with Gabonese, this night, I don't tell the interim government before, but the interim government, I don't know what they do. When I talk, they go say Prince Jeka they talk. I be talk about money. I start call Mendy. I start call Fombat. I start call people them for inside here where they don't misappropriate funds. But instead for the interim government for wake up do things because of the cartels, because of the people where they don't turn this IG, I don't know, into political group. They should don't fold their hands. Instead, what did they get for do? Now for can dismantle security team for Fako. Now they don't dismantle security team for Fako. Now in that ADF don't enter Fako. Who's the presidential self-defense day where they be dissolved Fako security team? Who's day? When you act where you not be prepared, when people talk, people start be sentimental and emotional. They can't dissolve Fako Security Council. Today, that small boy where be stand for defend this interim government. That small guy, Gabonese, where be the make a voice note. This is the Fako Meme Black Tar communication person under the interim government. Today, a life there at risk. As we talk now, so my people made this audience bill. If una feel wake up tomorrow morning, una say Gabonese no day. When I feel wake up tomorrow morning, when I become here for a live show, I be talk for here. I tell the interim government say that picking the for Mountain Lions one, they know the work under this interim government. I be don't move since. I tell them say we know head from back. But as some of our brothers them from the Savannah Zone, una like for do, I say una know just like the way una be do when Fonta endely be the do. Una wake up, go she don't talk say na tribalism. Now, not be tribalism anymore. ADF don't enter there now, una know the talk again. I be don't talk say if this revolution wants spoil, now una our brothers them from Savannah region, with una where una they do things, now una go spoil this revolution. May I tell una very clear. If una want to make the Fonta and Endely system repeat, me I don't tell una need the mix. Gabonese not be my brother. But I talk today for yeah. If Gabonese one beer come out for Gabonese he hate, Guzan go small. Guzan go small for Ambazonia. I'm telling you the truth. If one beer, it drop for Gabonese, he hate. If one beer, made this video bearing weakness. If one beer drop for Gabonese, he hate. Guzan go small, we go forget the war. We go forget this war we fight, we go do. She don't go Fako don't do his job very great. We don't prepare for stop AFCON. People she don't for inside interim government, they do their politics. The wake up come for Fako, say me they dissolve Fako security team. I be give warning, I say na ADF, the come so for inside Fako. I give warning for the IG, I say we no hate Fombat. We love Fombat, but Fombat don't lose control for that picking them. Today, outside the interim government, is presidential squad day. Outside day. Now, so as I tell my fellow people of Southern Cameroon, today, the group Sagat, when a general for Fako, where they call himself general for Fako, where he don't harass people, Sagat where he don't do kind dirty things for Fako, Sagat carry Shaggy today, as I tell now. He take the other guy where they control Kata G unit. Where G unit be don't move audio. He talk say they pay allegiance to ADF. He carry Sagat where Fombat be the talk say they control Sagat. Sagat who don't move audio. He never make 2 weeks say he pay allegiance to ADF. Before the thing one happen, I be already get information. I come out. I attack Fombat. Now whether we talk say they bring the ass song. I talk say Fombat not the control this boy them again. And I see very bad handicap because Mama Ambazonia, the woman where they call it Mama Ambazonia, where they for UK. He don't wake up. He call this boy them for back. He tell them they play allegiance to Seseku inside jail. And from intelligence what we get from jail, it is just say Seseku. If you not destroy this revolution before it goes come out, they no go give liberation. I come out here, I give that warning. Say now why that one change for Fombat? And when Fombat be don't send Seseku $2,000. $2,000. Fombat be don't send for Seseku $2,000. $2,000. I come out and make information for Amber Peace Plan. The Amber Peace Plan, they be using for hold their meeting. I call their attention. Instead, the best thing when they fit do, Bishop John. I be don't talk since they sack Bishop John. I don't know what the IG do. I don't know whether this revolution when I did that for love. Now, think they don't scatter. They chop money all sides. People they embezzle money all sides. Just like how it be happen for my trip to Boya. Una know she don't quiet, no? Una know she don't quiet. But when Ganamov and Uchemba they be come out for make audio, for tackle activists, they won't want to talk the truth. Oh, una for interim government, una be she don't quiet. Una be she don't quiet. When I was blowing the trumpet, Mami them for this revolution, una come out for poor cases on me. But I be tell una say one thing, una feel look me as small. But the use where the spirits for the revolution they use me, I did see before, not be today. That whether my hand over touch money, and over dirty my hand, and I go come out for this revolution clean. I be one una before. I tell una say I be don't see wait till it come. I be give that warning. But see today wait till it happen. People them not be only one person don't chop money. People don't chop money. They don't try now to overtake ground zero. And now who did they do them? Now people the way they be rivals to this interim government. Now people they be rival to this interim government. But for instead the interim government for be proactive. That is done every day that they make now meetings by meetings. When people can't talk, yeah, they go send surrogates them everywhere. Now, where is the surrogate? We need the presidential self-defense. Mountain is the camp. We need the presidential defense. Now, Gabonese, then that we chief, that they run inside bush. Where is the presidential defense? Where is it? Where is it? Where is the presidential self-defense? When we talk frustrating house, now the house don't broke, the roof don't fall. People they don't get place for shelter. The wild wolves, they don't roam around, they find blood for suck. Where is their own shelter? They don't have a shelter. Because of some people where they want to be politicians inside revolution. Now, tell who chamber them and the Ganamov and the other, may the wrong gonna go help now, or may the president come. They cannot. My fellow people of Southern Cameroon, may I just give una white to bring me online here quick. The audience don't bill. So I will just tell you now, give me 1 minute. I will just explain una way to bring me live. And It's very terrible. It's very terrible where they go now. But when I just give my get water. Greetings, my great people. I'll be very happy to say the audience don't build this quick. The audience don't build this quick. I know we get plans for come live today, but I just did a call some few minutes ago. And the call will be based now on what did happen for ground as we talk as of now. I don't make an audio. I don't put the audio for all WhatsApp groups. Please, if you get that audio, share it. And I mean every word I said in that audio. For that audio, for the information where I get today, Gabonese, where I don't come here last time, I talk say, ADF, the struggle all way for get inside Fako. I don't tell una this thing. So Gabonese, we don't make audios them. The audios them there for my other phone. I don't know whether that that my other small phone. I've played some of the audios maybe una here. Shaggy, you get Shaggy and Sagat. Sagat. Na person wey come up prison. If you don't be na ex-convict for Boya Central Prison. Ex-convict wey come up prison. Now, Sagat don't come for inside Fako, where the person wey be start the work for Fako, Cross and Die. Cross and Die be do the job very, very well. Una be the sister with this revolution come most of una for back, una go look for early 2017. Some guy where if they go buy rice, then buy meat, then go give mommy them for Ikona, made the chop. Make say Southern Cameroon become better. That was General Cross and Die. The person where he be the control Fako before. So when Cross and die, mix up the stab B. So we don't get ESCO struggle for put everything together. Now Sagat come up prison. He can't impose himself. Say I be general. All the money will be the buy equipment. Will be if you say that time that Cross and Die is spirit, the see continue more gear for that picking them. All that equipment will go for Mountain Lions 1. So when we can realize, says, any tato, we don't infiltrate this picking them. We call Fombat, we ask Fombat, say, what is going on? Fombat say, no, that picking they under we. But we hear that picking them, then they tell we say, they the one work, now we ADF. We say, but we buy our guns, they will give all our things them. What did it happen? Fombat too, we hear say Fombat, they send money for Sisiku. I talk and for his Amba peace plan, all the people of government, they say, no, na tribalism. As tribalism, na their best talk for mob. Tribalism. I don't ask you and say, if they want to call people, they be tribalistic for this revolution, whether they want to call people for Fako, go for all the counties. All the counties where brothers from the Savannah regions are welcome. How many people for Fako, they there for some place where they hold some position inside these 13 counties? How many? Una not like true. How many people for Fako, there for some site where they hold position for inside Mezam, Momo, Boyo, and the others? When I say people know the CEO, so I want to make Fako be. One talk, most of them are bloated tribalism. We not be even be that tribalism. We be seen that the dirty work where it won't happen. The interests of the civilians were not protected. The interests of the people were not protected. What revolution are we fighting for when the people are not protected? Tell me. What revolution are we fighting for when our common people cannot feel safe? In which military they come, they fear. Wolves in the name say they want fight for the liberation, they come, they fear. Which revolution where we fight? When our people cannot be feel comfortable, they kidnap from the people, the same time military they take them for road, they collect money for them. Which? The interim government where we don't the project, say may not ever be a political organization. The interim government was supposed to make this revolution. That's why I said Bishop John should be fired. Fired immediately. And if like when President Sako continue with the politics, whether they pay their house or they pay their wait for there, he don't look people, look people. May continue to do them. Me, I don't talk for this revolution. I don't come with no person, and I will say it. I said it that Bishop John should be fired immediately. Immediately, no 1 minute. Look what he gone now for Fako. They don't need romance with Fombat. Now it is this night what he talk. ADF don't give command for Sagat. Sagat don't go gather all the boys them where they the one stand where they the work under ADF for Fako. First time where this revolution be there, we not be getting no ADF for Fako. But from the day where the interim government start romance with Fombat, From the day where the interim government start romance with Fombat, that day Fako start go down. Since we cross and die start come, we not be ever get this nonsense. All the one the way they be there with we before ADF, you don't even hear ADF for Fako. Begin they go gather the things for ADF, they burn them because they be not in a group of interest. From the day where the IG start use the pamper Fombat, they come and say, hey, no, let's not divide, let's not be scared of people. Bishop John ordered this, she don't quiet. Now in this today they don't gather other picking them. 35 picking them. Una know what they dey for Bush now, they define Gabonese. As I tell una now. The day for Bush, they define Gabonese this night. They come out Sagat, Shaggy, Sagat, Shaggy, G Unit, and this other boy for Ikata. This night, why they tell una, they don't already shoot 2 civilians. They don't shoot 2 civilians. All the chief them for Munyenge, they don't run for Bush. They be first go there the first time. Where Capo Daniel be send Sagat. Make Sagat he go arrest Gabonese. Now, they want arrest Gabonese for waiting. Because they know say the role where Gabonese they play for the revolution, it be great. That audios and way they come out, say this is a spokesman of Akome Black Tar Council. There will be no this AFCON, there will be no this. You know how for share the communication network for Ground Zero, it be very strong. Where even as the communication spokesman for military, for inside Saudi Cameroon, I mean for La Republic, whether not Tom Fakweti, for the attack where they go attack for Mautu, he talk and say they go find a Gabonese. Yeah, Spirito, they go find that in 2. Even a yet communications person for military, for colonial military for La Republic, he talk about say that they go find one own spokesman for Fako Meme Black Tar because of the work where they do in network for keep the civilians under this interim government. Then this speaking go there, it don't remove all your sins. It fear, it talk as it insists, it thinks the way they protect you. Interim government, where they support them, it stand for them. Interim government, the folly arms, they never do nothing, they never conform back. Now, which fight will they fight? That picking a woman. If you fall today, now how many people will go look at picking them? Let's be real. How many people will go look at how many of you go buy chop, give family? Because of politics. Because this one a Mogamo, this one a Bakweri, this one a this one a Boyo. If una not kill that una dirty ideologies, una go sell we the way Fonta sell we. As una be very good for use that tribalism, for rob the truth, for shoot and for outside. Una continue the root tribalism, my brother from the Savannah region. Una continue. Una continue to use the tribalism. When people talk, no, una be more tribalistic. I be don't ask una, I go see ask una. How many people for Fako in the whole position for Mogamo? How many people for Fako in the whole position for Boyo? You no go see we for no side. But go for all team. Now una no fit tame una self. Una no fit control una self. And una want sell we again. Just like the first mistake for 1960. It like una hear the truth, it bite una belly. Una want die, una die. I don't care. I'm saying it like this. And that's the truth. The same way we Fonta do it. Go for all Babatin them, now our brother from Savannah. Go for all Babatin. Chopping of money na una. If man you not do na una. If this not, go for all bad thing. They all bad thing for this revolution na una. By turning people say this one a tribalism na una. By sending people for surrogate na una. I be don't tell una say if una no learn for start free una self, we no go ever day free. If una so, our brother from the Savannah region, if you una wanna come up from the northern zone, if una be don't detain una self, the liberation of Southern Cameroon na 2 minutes. May I tell una, if today Southern Cameroon revolution is slow, na una. Look this small boy, he and Fombat come up for the same village. Gabonese nangi pikin. Fombat nangi pikin. Because of say Gabonese don't swear say, he mo continue na for wait to cross and die statam. Because of say Gabonese, he swear, he say he go continue now for wait to cross and die start. If fellow brother from Guy, Fombat, he stand, he watch Sagat and Shaggy, then they go find it for kill him. A woman, audios them plenty so. Just like the one where Akuma be doing before one die. This time we get audios and so where a woman, the move him. The poor woman, he the move him for outside, he the cry. The poor girl. Wait, they don't turn Gabonese own brother the way they be fight together. Who did they do? Na diaspora. Na diaspora. They don't turn Gabonese own because Gabonese and Shaggy. That way cross and I be there. Gabonese be na communication person. Shaggy be na person when I go find material. Now that's so them two they be the work. But as soon as no ADF, just like how ADF go do one for how they call these guys them. This guy they be start for Manu. Where go divide them, the both of them. Go divide Manu Tigers. I mean, now the same thing when ADF don't enter inside Fako. As they go destroy Manu Tigers, they don't come with her for Fako now. Shaggy and Gabonese they be the work. By then this Sagat when I be sitting in prison, oh man no. Then too they be the work. But today, Shaggy they go attack Gabonese a woman with the picking them because of ADF. It go attack because of say interim government of it tem format. They beg format. Now the same thing is so they be taken so almost they even look now. Fako don't quiet no. Nobody be tell una. Una tell the name they go do job for Fako. Fako don't quiet. Nation Cup become I be tell una for say action go dey for Fako. Nation Cup don't finish. I don't hear some one thing do hala. They picking the way they be do job for Fako. When they be go do the action, they don't vex. They don't go back. We buried one 2 days ago when they shoot you. We buried one. But this interim government, when we come, I ask and say, because of dirty anger, because of this one, the interest not connect with this one will be talk with this one for inside interim government. I ask the interim government, say they don't be briefed on what they go on. They picking the way they fight for inside Victoria. They vex. They buried their brother. 2 days ago, what do they bury him? 2 days ago for now, I never see me the whole this week. I can't live. They bury someone 2 days for bullet wound when enter that bikini belly. Bullet wound when enter that bikini belly. But if you go for that IG because of politics, then they go talk say no. Where Fomba should gun for who side. Today the pikin where Fomba be the propose them say now then they fight. Today they go find Gabonese or Munyenge. They don't go shoot people civilians the way they stand for the revolution. When civilians, they start shoot civilians because they want to fight Gabonese, then wait to be the fate of the revolution for we. We fight now, we are people. When fighters them, when they say military, they come, they run. They say Amba, they come, they run. Then now which war we fight? Then now which war we fight? Now I want to tell this, I want to tell una this. I be don't talk and I know they mix my word. Yeah, just like I be talking about Pata Sang time, and I will say it very clear here. If one baby, I'm telling you in the name of God, mark this word today. Some of you are not going to like me for this revolution. If one baby, he fall for that picking Gabonese he hate for this revolution, I'm not going to care whether Shaggy, Sagat, and the rest. I don't make them for audio, and I say it. I'm not going to care whether they stand for this revolution. They don't ever stand. They go wipe them out. Especially me, Prince J cannot come off a co. When I mark this one, I talk for live video, I know they hide them. If they want to do their nonsense with ADF, may they carry and go for Alabukam. May they carry and go up for Alabukam. If one civilian, one chief, I'm saying it here on this Facebook, if one civilian, one chief, he hate, whether my country, if one for inside Fako, where they stand for this revolution, they obey this ghost town. They obey lockdown. If one baby go down because of Sagat, Shaggy, or who, we not go like, we go stop the war. We go stop the war. We concentrate inside we. I'm telling you the truth. If one baby, I'm saying it live here, whether the interim government not do one, but me, I know how I go do one. Now, Fako I come out, I not play I go do one. They go wipe that picking them all. First of all, for the civilian, the way they don't do one. The civilian, the way they don't go shoot on this evening. The chiefs, the way they don't kill. They've seen now what we don't give. If one thing happen before daybreak, we yes, so one person don't die, or Gabonese, or some chief, or some who. As they don't talk, say that they come up for that Munyenge where they go find Gabonese this night. That they can't go find Mad Dog. If one thing happen, it go small. They go know that they say, they know they call me Prince J Kana for nothing. Right to the place where they go day. Right to the place where they go be. They go sweep all them. for revolution, you get for do some certain things make people stand. Una not go to torment the people, they give bad reputation for the revolution. And this is my video what I don't do. I'm saying it today. Make all of we in this revolution, make we sit up. Make we sit up. I don't say if you want to be a Southern Cameroonian, you must not be by tribe. You must not be by affiliation. You must be a Southern Cameroonian by pure blood. Look me. Gabonese not be Bakwiri. Gabonese not be Bakwiri. Somebody be to put comment on that they say is President Sako a Graphy. I don't. President Sako is not Graphy, and I've stood in front of him. I've told him. If President Sako do wrong today, me Prince, I go talk say me they change it. I know they mix my word. I know they pay allegiance to individuals. Just like how you see me as Stan, I talk say me Bishop John go. The way President Sako he own cup go full. I no go say I be don't stand against Eric Tato. I go fire and for you direct. That's me, I can be quiet. You know the hear me at the talk. I the gather my information gather. When your cup don't full, when you know if deliver, I the go on direct. I go tell the people one time. Blood did die. People did die. He's a president by grace. Yes, now God put it for there. It's not a president by say, they way he cup full. I be stand doing for my Congo. I be stand doing for my Congo. So for me for doing for any person, it in an ABC. For the revolution, our people must come first. Our people must be protected first. We not go sit down for this evening. They don't first go attack Gabonese the first time. Or Popo block them. Sagat, he tell them say, he come back. It let's say they don't go call Capo Daniel. They don't call the small boys them for around. May they gather all their sticks. May they go attack Opopo. Opopo now don't run for bush. With the civilians there for Munyenge. They don't enter bush. We are on. The first day where ADF enter with the ADF. He can't enter now inside the house where Fombat say the control him. He can't enter a house where we say Fombat say the control him. Please, if your comment is not orderly, I'll block you. Me, no matter you see me at the talk here, if I look your comment is dirty, I take you off. Yes, whether Graphy or whatever term you want to put it, if they have to give a dirty name for you to change, give the dirty name. If maybe the name they call your Pekin say Tif Pekin, make the Pekin better. If na Graphy we get for call them for say make our brother from the Savannah region made it straight, we will call it Graphy. If let's say that name Graphy self, even though don't change better name, if let's say the overhot una plenty. If we get for call na the Graphy make some of una straighten up. Look for all the bad things for Amazonia, the commander for update. But you know, if you know one day we will not come on the talk for some of our brothers them. Look all the bad things where they delay this revolution. Ayabacho. Anywhere where you go, you want here, Black Leg, my country people, he come on and give. Susie Spark. All the bad things for the revolution. May we not talk how? May we not wear up? Una fi say revolution, it be won by lies. Una fi say revolution, it be won by lies. If we fail this revolution today, make people of Amazonia be winners. Now our brother they for up for the Savannah region and the Kosam. Go for all the bad things now on a day. Go for all the bad things. Una they so una not like true. Go for all the bad things now on a day on top. All the bad things. My country people, he come on that side. Susie Spark, he come on that side. All the bad things. But una be first when person come up with truth for call and say tribalism. Una be first for wake up when person can't tell una true. Una not go take the truth like a brother. Ask and say, but what is wrong? Una not go ask and say, as a brother, say what is wrong with we. Una want to make it repeat itself. Una say, if Mama me used to tell me, say, if person not like you, no go tell you true. If I not love una, no go tell una. Look the revolution. Look it. Our people are dying every day. For which place you go here, people go die, so people should down, they watch them. Which place? Now for all top for day where youths they die. Look picking they keep picking for Mancom. Look the way they do for Guza massacre. But instead some of them they still put tribalism for front. When they want cause some person name, say no, that's tribalism. They want cause some person name. Look what did happen. Today they go find a Fombat. Gabonese. Now picking for Fako, they go find me. No, now brother, the way they don't rally. Because of say you don't want to pay allegiance to somebody. And the people of the revolution, they go find it in night for go catch it for kill it. It there for bush, it run. It woman there for your own side. You want go for this time, my country people. But when you want talk, they say Fako people. How many Fako people? They be black leg. How many? How many Fako people? It's good let's address ourselves because change begins with us. Change doesn't begin with la Republic. Let's address ourselves and ask ourselves many questions before we fight. Let's address, is President Sako, I call President Sako out, Fred phone. I call President Sako out, whether Graffy or not, I call him out. It's just like putting Atanganji somewhere and then you cause all your atrocities to say we are one. It's just like what La Republic did. They say, oh, Minister of Territorial Administration has never been an Anglophone. They go put Atanganji, then they can't kill una. That's the same thing now. President Sako is just standing there as a pillar. Those who are around him, they are doing their job. So you think when you come and say President Sako Graffy, who are those around him? You think before some of us started saying things should be done 50-50, we did not know? Let me leave that side because it not be good for now. But I'm just telling some of you are brothers, when I not go like the message, change yourself. Make una change. Una really need for change. I be really see why French people take me for bondage. Let some of you don't take it like an insult. It's not an insult. It's not an insult. We need self-change. Self-change from our ideologies and thoughts. I detest some of una. Some of una still believe for that 1960 ways of thinking. You guys, we really need self-change. If we don't change our brain, no be lie, Sudan go small. From which I see for ground. If we will not change our ideologies and our ways, Saudi Sudan go small. That one not be lie. We have to change our ways. We have to change our thinking. For una, when person not start with una, the next thing attack. We have to change. If you guys don't change, there will not be no Ambazonia. There will never be any Ambazonia if you all don't change. If you all don't change, there will never be any Ambazonia. Get it for me. Go behind and go and make any audio. But I'm telling you the truth. You have to change. You have to change. You have to accept everyone. Whether it's there with you or not there with you, you have to look for the way. So let me leave this video here. Saudi Cameroonians, that's why I came live to tell you. So the people of Munyenge, they did for Bush now, they run. Fombat. No, I don't know whether if it is sick, whether it will control this time. When I tell you, make it call them. No, I'm calm down. I'm not angry. That one me, that's how I speak. When me, I don't tell us how to block them. That yeah, me, I will rebuke you like my brother. Yeah, La Republic man no go tell you this talk. I don't tell you. If I don't love you, I no go tell you so. Forget about La Republic wanting to divide. La Republic can never divide. Now La Republic take you go marry. Now La Republic the first Bakuri boy for marry Bamenda gay. Say La Republic. That's what La Republic want divide. What divide? What divide do you talk about? It's already born in the blood. Say person from Saudi, from the coastal region, he go marry somebody up in the savannah region. Now La Republic do look for marriage. When people want to talk about when change, you say this is what La Republic want. La Republic wants divide. Which divide does La Republic want? Which divide? Accept your truth. Look the intermarriages. How many of you from the savannah region get married to Yaoundé people? How many? How many of the Bakwerians get married to the Yaoundé people? Don't we marry only from either you hear Bakweri, Bare Bamenda, Bakweri, Imare Bakosi, Bakweri, Imare Bayangi, Bamenda, Imare Bakweri. Not be say it happen. When people want to talk, you come and say, oh, this one La Republic want divide. Why the divide not happen for marriage? Why the divide not happen for marriage? Why the divide not happen? When you have to accept your fate, look the way we get married. Look the way we born Pekin. Go for Bakweri. Go for Fako. You want to see how many young get then you want to look, even for the music industry. Go look. When they want to give a small truth, you go straight down for the, oh, that's all La Republic want. La Republic want divide. La Republic want divide. Because you don't want to hear truth. Demons. Don't change. Don't change. You will be the worst slave on earth. Don't change. Don't change. Don't change. When it comes to marriage, when it comes to follow boyfriend, girlfriend, no, Graffy Bakweri, you know they. When it comes for things for you for change your mentality of reasoning, Graffy and Bakweri, La Republic divide come for day. Don't change, eh? Be sitting down there and be waiting. The Bulu, where they know the Basa, they will come colonize you. Nobody already said the colonize up station. When they go to enter your village and for Boyo, you go down that time say, we not be don't be married together, not be like Republic divide. Nobody already take up station, they don't need to take Commercial Avenue, the Bamiliki, they don't come. Just like they come for Victoria. Continue for there. Continue the talk, say, oh, la Republic one divide. Instead for go rebuke your brother, say stop. Instead for correct the mistake of Frontier. Continue and be talking la Republic divide. You are killing yourself. You're killing your own self and your own future. Look the small marriage. You go for inside the whole boya, the whole Bamenda. Now either Bakweri Bamenda, Bakweri this. Una the married una self. Forget small reasoning to see that if we can marry ourselves, why do we, when it concerns interest, we bring tribalism? Why is it when it concerns correction, we bring tribalism? Why? That means there is a problem. Correct it. Correct it. You bring tribalism even among you. If you want to attack something where your interest is there, you see and say your own brother, the divide. You go for Bible fight for kill your own brother. You go fight for back for kill your own. See this other woman for say Sandrine Momolu Kong, man, just block you. Put boyo for down. Now me I no come on boyo, now you come on boyo. Now me I no come on boyo. That la Republic mentality, you go rest for back, me I hate clear. Okay, now you come on boyo, me I come on afako. Okay, Gabonese come on to nafako. Me I block you. They say when una start block una so down una hit they go clear. Nonsense. Say put boyo for down. You never go put your own self for down. So my people, I've passed the message. Stay focused. Learn to love everyone and protect people. So I don't talk and I don't see come again today. I don't pass the message. May the interim government sit up. May the interim government sit up. Thank you, Zoe. Just like how obsession don't go, now so Victoria to the one go. May una she don't for they go talk about una self. La Republic did the gang together for colonize una. Your own brother, when he did against your own interest, whoop, you don't send me, they go kill you. What the Gabonese do with they go kill you? What the Gabonese do? What the Gabonese do with they go kill you? Gabonese come out the same village with all those. If one go on that side, and it's a Southern Cameroonian, it is support the people's government. Now, look ADF. Anyone want be for up? Those are the things where they make some people from the Southern zone for be scared of this revolution. May I tell you the truth. Plenty people they get hard for this revolution. But when they see actions, them way with the attack with your own, they fear for joining this revolution. May I tell you now? They really fear for joining this revolution. May I tell you now the bitter truth? Now the main thing is so, will the Republic the one turn this revolution, maybe they see on one side. But now through this AFCON will come, where they finally say and say Victoria, all the whole side of Southern Cameroons, they stand for the revolution. Now this AFCON, if not be this AFCON and the grace of God, say the chairman of FACO, they do a good job with this, some people in the interim government. Like they go and put them for one side. It's because when they see the way we attack ourselves, they are scared. Yes, you go fear. Some people not the one talk because of our attitude. Just look since when this revolution starts. You don't hear now only ADF attack Amazonia. The only video I ever see for ADF say they attack some place. Now that fake video where they go bring her with that phone and that gun when them they bring her. Not only that, since when I start for this revolution, you never ever hear ADF attack any person. Now only Amazonia, kidnap for Alabukam, kidnap for this. Now when the same guys I got to go bring her for we. It shall never be a South Sudan. We go clean them. Now whether we talk now. If all wanna take the message, we start cleaning with ourselves, there will never be a South Sudan. There will never be. And this is a job we all must do. We all must do. We all must do. It's terrible. We all must do. If you watching me start doing this, calling one or two people, making sure all these bad rogues who are stealing, kidnapping, killing our people. All these people in diaspora who are sending boys out there to do this dirty job. If we all start cleaning ourselves, the revolution can be won by ourselves. The problem to our victory is ourselves. I'm telling you. If we all were reasoning like just how the Igbo people, they reason. Hey, Ambazonia. If we all be the reason how these Igbo people for Biafra the reason, the liberation of Southern Cameroon will be like, oh God. Sorry, call don't come, he cut the video. Yeah, call don't come, he don't cut the video. He don't call, I mean, he interrupt my video. Anyway, Ugo, I already passed my message to one pass. I'll be sorry for that. I be careful to take that call. Now, direct call will be the come in. So, I'll be careful to take the call. Now, very important call. So, I don't do which I get for do. I'll come back again if any emergency they up. But no matter the talk on this, moment I know say the people of Fakobi don't be prepared. Yeah. Fako, now only that group. There's another part where the Fako County be already organized. I do this video now because of Gabonese. Even though it's not for even talk. Because we already get reaction, we go give them. Yeah. We'll get reaction. And we want to thank all those the way they be give their draft for Fako and the way they be contribute. I want to give kudos to the chairman of Fako because above everything, our word draft will be used very well. Yeah. Our word draft will be used very, very well. So I want to thank everybody who will contribute for Fako for word draft. I want to thank Una. Our word draft was used perfectly well. And then we be ready for which it come. But I just put this message because of Gabonese. And ADF not going to exist for Fako. Yeah. ADF not going to exist. As they not exist for the BLM, they not going to exist anywhere. I do this video now because of Gabonese and for correct all we and for talk on things the way I be done the talk where they happen now. But in our word draft, we use the money well. We used it very well. And we are ready. That's why you see, for the past, AFCON not happen for Fako because if it tell you so we are ready. We already see where they come up from these mountain lions. Where one. We already see them. And if they try go for Mad Dog, they go, yeah. If they try go, we'd already be ready. And if na ADM, now why I don't come make this video, I know yet tomorrow, they just say, President Sako did this. If it be say Guzang, go repeat itself. That picking of the work, I do that killing and that thing, may they be ready, say their water load don't come. Yeah, because we are very ready. The indigent sons of Fako are ready. And there'll be time we go come where they go see them. So we thank everybody where he give a penny for what draft for Fako. We thank Una. And I beg, make all Una go behind, go do a job. Una go behind, go continue the good job Una they do. Despite as we talk here out, we are united. I bring this video because I know say na ADF, not be IG. Now ADF, it dey for back. They do the job. I not put the video say Fako dead down, Fako. No, Fako is very, very strong. Very strong. Our word draft was well used. It was well used. Even though some counties, they don't be mismanage their own. But our word draft was used very well. And we have enough equipment where I believe say if one wage war for anything for inside Fako, nobody no go stand. I'm telling you. We have enough. We got enough. And some more is still coming. So I just put this message now for tell una if una hear anything, make una no say we don't give warning. Faco don't give warning. Because if one baby drop for Gabonese, wait will get them for back. We go move all for make sure say that picking them where they go do that job, they no go leave for see the next day. And won't go the clean Faco, make una no can talk say tribalism, this and that, because we don't give the warning very, very long. So thank una very much. Make una have a blessed day. Stay focused. Support your interim government, but rebuke them when you see wrong. I will tell you that. You see me? You don't see for the past time, I don't talk again. I come out today again, I will rebuke them. Yeah. Support your interim government. But this time, we are going to go very, very drastical. Just like what we done before. No one ADF go exist for Faco. No one. No one. If it be again for wage internal war, we go wage them very heavily and very strong. Very, very strong. We know the mixed war. This one a word war. If you come against our people, you come against us. The county and the AGA are for the people. If you come as a group, we go take it as an internal war. So I just come to tell you that. And the people of Faco, the security team, the chairman, and all of them, they are very ready. So if one thing happen, one civilian go down, we will wage an internal war direct. And Sadat, Shaggy, and the others, they no go like them. They no go like them. Tell them, say, thing where they get them is small for where to buy and war draft. Thing where they get is small. Thing where get them from war draft, it heavy pass what they get. So if they know, make it slow, because if they want them, we go bring all for their skin. Thank you. Make you have a blissful evening.